servers on Bedrock, and I'm gonna be playing my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna be using custom PvP kits I made to destroy people. I don't want to do an event or event. Yeah, so now this is this kit. But then I played with them earlier when I recorded earlier. I re-recorded because yep, I absolutely destroyed them. Yeah. So yeah, there was a secret sharpness axe. If you didn't see that, I forgot to really point that out. Go on to the next one. It has a strategy to it. I actually played it earlier and found the strategy after I played it earlier. When I think I already mentioned that I had to record it because my recording glitch. I don't know if I mentioned the recording glitch, but this kit is kind of just stupid because there's someone actually who didn't know how the kit worked did the thing and didn't help me kill them because the thing, whatever they did, helped me kill them. It was kind of stupid. They didn't know how it worked, but it worked and actually helped me kill them. Yeah, so. That was not what I was supposed to do. Let's do it again because you didn't see how the kit worked. Yeah, someone. I need to build it faster. Yeah, they have a extreme knockback, so, yeah, that's, yeah. Oh, wait, did I see a cheese in the chat? Cheese, Oh, I killed my cheese! I killed my cheese! I killed my cheese! No, what? Sorry, comment, rest in peace, my cheese. My cheese. What? You know, now. Okay, this kid is gonna be kind of stupid, but. Yeah, this is gonna be very stupid. I don't know how to brew exactly, so I did what I could. Hopefully this works. No, I don't want... Stupid. Let me just get... No, I don't... Yeah, okay. Let's get into it. Okay, why is there so many kits? Why is it? I should have put it holding that. I really shouldn't have, because no one's gonna click it. They feel like, what in the world is a brewing set, dude? I don't wanna do that. How do you have a Pokemon on your shoulder? How do you have a Pokemon on your shoulder? Maybe someone will click it. Hopefully someone clicks it. Someone did. Oh, you can't interact with the brewing set. Okay, that's so stupid. I wanted to... Wait, no, you can't interact. It doesn't work. Okay, I guess I was gonna turn. Okay, so this didn't work. Okay, what is that? Wait, I have an idea. If this works, this would be stupid, but yes, I'm gonna try this. Okay. Getting this guy, if I can get this guy in an obsidian box. That's I have an idea that might work. It might be insane to try that. I have water. Oh wait, no, he has a water bucket too. What are we gonna do? Maybe we can play this until he quits. I was thinking of drowning him, but I can use wings and build. Wait, have it again. If the man can water bucket clutch, it won't work, but if I can build up high enough. Oh wait, I have these. Okay, so then if we... Oh, he left. Okay, we won this. I was gonna try to push him off and see if he could water bucket clutch. I was trying to get him to tower up and push him off. But that will be the end of the video, I guess. So thanks for watching. Let me subscribe this video.